some of this onto here, making sure I'm completely dry. And I want to fill the cavities. Some people use pastry bags. If you saw it in that video, did you see what he had done? There was a machine, and it's amazing, that you just go right over and just fill it up. And it's like, takes so much of this messiness out of it. So then I want to make sure all my cavities are filled by just pushing the chocolate around. So you can see I'm using way more than I need. So it facilitates this faster. Then I'm going to go in here. Okay, now I'm going to scrape this off. Just like this. So scrape off your excess first. And then we want to get any air bubbles out. Okay, by going like this. A couple times. You can see there's air bubbles right there coming out. Then I'm going to go like this. And you have to shake it. You can't just let it hold there. You have to shake this. This way. And then scrape. And then this way. Because we just want a real thin coating. Okay, we want a hollow shell to be able to put our filling in. So then, after this, you want to get it as clean as possible. Then I'm going to let it sit just for a minute, and then I'm going to flip it over again. Okay? Now, in the meantime, I have to be very careful about this chocolate cooling down too quickly. And so I want to make sure I scrape the sides. Otherwise, it's going to start to harden right here. Okay? So scrape the sides. Keep it all together. So it's kind of like a bath. They're all in a bath together, and they're keeping each other warm. Okay? And therefore, it's keeping it in temper better. So try and work really warm. Now it's down to 87. So what I want to do is I want to keep it in temper, because I still have to do the top part. And then I'm going to keep it over here. But I don't want it to go over 90. So if you guys can just monitor that. Okay? Should let it go over 90. Once it gets to like 89, we'll take it off again. Okay. Then what I like to do here, let's set this aside. Is this the second one? So you see it's set? Perfect. Then I'm going to actually turn it over. Okay? Just to help everything drain on the sides. I don't want a thick bottom on there, because that'll eventually be the top. Then we set this in here for 4 or 5 minutes, just until it is set. Now, I did tell you earlier not to do what? Put anything in the refrigerator, but that's long term. We're using this just to help cool it down. Okay? And then we will flip it over. We're going to pipe in the Nutella, and then we'll top it with this. And then we put it in for about 10-15 minutes to really get it hard, and you will see it contract away. So let me show you what you're going to look for the difference. Do you see how it's very dark right here? You see how it's completely dark, right? Okay? Just keep your eye on that, and then you'll see the difference later on.